Hi guys, hi everyone. I'm just taking my pepper soup so that to push my talk down. Because if I'm talking, my mouth has to be down. This one I want to do it with talk and food. Talk and food, guys. You know what? I want to say about one thing because this thing is really bothering me. I'll be seeing it. And today I watched one lady today. Okay. This thing. Okay, this pepper soup. It's too much pepper. But Jamie is too cold, but I have to manage it. I don't use to pepper. I'm not eating pepper. Let me say that one first. I can even cook ogbono soup without pepper. You know why I start pepper again? When I go to holiday, I can't eat. I cannot eat anything. Because they eat pepper a lot. It's good for body, but because of my children, it's not really my fault. Because of my children, I have to stop using too much pepper. But when I went to visit, but where they cook, it really, you understand, really appetize, really nice. But I can't eat it because of pepper. They will take me to a restaurant anywhere they take me to. I can't eat because why? Because of pepper. I also went to Nigeria. When they cook, I cannot eat because of pepper. I said, no, I have to change this thing. It's too bad. Last year, I said, let me start eating pepper. I go to the market and buy pepper. I bring a lot of pepper from Nigeria. I started eating pepper. Now, I'm even eating it excess. And this is my pepper soup. I'll be doing my video before my daughter come and spend my video. You see? Just come and spend my video. I say, okay, no problem. Anyhow. Okay, guys, my people. What I'm trying to say here. Let me leave pepper soup and pepper matter. Let me leave that one for Matthias. What I'm trying to say here is that this SC Galaxy matter, I'll be hearing it to us. So let me come and let me say my opinion. By the way, don't you know, many women these days, this is our young generation. Me also, I've been young generation because I never old like that. When they see when I say my face, I never too old like that. Even though they see the old age from my face, but never too old like that. Okay now. You know, Europe to take care of children, it's not easy at all. It's not Africa. When somebody get married even without children, without nine, not that you don't have, but maybe some people when they get married, they want to enjoy their service for 1 year or 2 years. They will just enjoy their service. Then we have house girl who will be washing their clothes, their pants, sweeping the house. But here in Europe, people know now. It's only we. We have 5 children, just me and my husband taking care of them. If we are going anywhere, we pack them and log. It's now we are even trying to leave them alone. Sometimes, because it's not advisable. They are not. My first daughter is just 12 years. You see it? It's not advisable, especially for Jamie. Another thing is that what I'm saying is about this Etiono Sana I want to talk about. How can person una not listen to this thing where if they condemn the boy? Me, I call that boy innocent boy because even though he paid them the money, all the money in this world, can they strip naked? If he tell them to fall down from 15-story building, can they do it? Anything, the guests of nowadays, anytime they see money, they have to do anything. Everybody just come in and this opportunity. I want to blow. When I think they get bad name. Nigerian celebrity, they always do all those nonsense things because they want to get name. They have to do one thing and the other just to make name, to blow. Process of blowing, you spoil your name. It's not good. We have to learn how to behave. You have to learn how to behave. Oh. This thing, it's not good at all because the way they are behaving. Our Nigerians, everything they want to learn from Oyibo. But all those Oyibo they are learning this thing from. They don't do it the way they do. At all. All of just see now, all of them, majority of all of them are turned to single mothers. Are turned to single mothers when they have any endorsement, or that is not what they call it. I don't know, whatever. And they are still on that marriage before they get that contract. Oh. As far as they send that contract, they say this thing is million, is this. The next thing, my husband is beating me. He will be bringing different friends. They will go and be do all those fake this thing. See the way my husband beat me. Even putting cotton wool inside their nose just to pen that man bad. See the way my husband beat me because why? The money is already there. They want to eat the money alone. But why be say if man make money, he will be looking for a woman to marry. If woman make money, he will try to divorce his husband. Why it be like that? I'm just asking. Mon, I'm sorry. Me, I'm sorry. I need advice because this thing is where we come to advise ourselves. Let my mouth dance more because my pepper soup, everywhere pepper soup is getting cold. It's too sweet. They will have to leave their husband because of money. Why? It's not good. All of the majority of all of that are to single mother. People have to be advising, they not to be judging the men, judging this. Well, everybody know that what Etionsa do. Her name is Etionsa, not be Etinosa. Etionsa say, it don't behave as the name direct. That name is Etionsa say, Etionsa say. Go and take us time to help you, okay? Just give me a minute. Let me make this. I will be through very soon, okay, please. Etionsa say Agbona. Etionsa say Agbona. Without God power, you can never do anything. Without God power, you cannot be breathing. Without God power, you cannot be in this life. That is the meaning of that name. Etionsa say. She don't behave as a name. Who is this pressure? I watched one lady video today on YouTube. I haven't comment. I will go back there and comment. People is just praising her because why? She stand for the truth. She said the truth. Me, I always say the truth. Even though people are insulting me, I don't bloody care. But I always say the truth. Because also the way people are praising the woman because he said the truth. He said they say she's under the pressure. She herself, she passed through the same. But she don't fool up, she don't fool herself. She don't go and be stripping naked everywhere. No. She respect herself. Many people, he just do it to get name. He do it to blow. And that is stupid name. Constant will help you all. Wait, I will come and help you later. Okay, please, Mama. Sorry, I'm coming. That is what I mean. That is what I'm saying. Even we here in Europe, we are still managing our life. No papa, no mama, nothing. Doctors of Africa, everybody is free to do anything he wants. Other man, you know, say Buhari spoil everything. No, at least na Nigeria, na cannot be na Nigeria. Now they carry old what be the name? Old age they be presidency. I don't want to go that side at all. If I want to go that side, I go me and live down for another day. I mean, many guys just coming out. NC Galaxy do this. NC Galaxy do this. NC Galaxy. If first someone are removing our pants. If first na so na must naked. If first you now. I think that the people now fall from up, now go fall. Una not be woman. Why can't you put respect to yourself? Tomorrow no, so not see husband. Una don't already feel. Una don't already feel destroy una life. Una don't destroy una self. Just to make money. This money where will they carry and they go self? Where they carry this money they go? And then until they destroy una self. They buy all those big things, good destroy una self. At the end, I'm going to cry, they top the story. Her husband not come. But I already destroyed herself for the beginning. I just I feel if anything happen to his marriage, it's not the end of his life. When one way close, another way open. Depends how you put yourself. Depends how you respect yourself. That depends on her. But this thing he just do now, he finish her life. Naked. Ah no, God. They say not be all those old mad woman on the street are mad. Many of them are inside that evil, that the one on the street evil better than. Many of them are many mad people are inside. The mad people on the street is better than many inside because many are mad. That is what happened to this Etiosa, not be Etinosa, Etiosa. I beg you now. When I just stand for the truth, I beg you, when I just stand for truth. When I stand for truth, when I judge matter well. Not be every time I go to brief video, I'm not go judge how the thing happens. See. When I talk pull. So people go brief video. Fear not let them talk. Fear they go put this. Actually, if you put video, you tell someone to say what is on your mind. Not to put video after the video finish, you come out there. No. What did that one mean? What does it mean? It mean nothing. After you said it, as you bring the video, you also say the truth. What really happened? Say, see your opinion. Also say your opinion. Not to brief video, you show and finish, you come on for there. No. It's not like that. It's not like that at all. Always say the truth. Brief video, say the truth. Don't say something about the video. I beg you now, let me know when they stand for the truth. And another thing I want to also talk about. I want to talk about this our subscription. I think we are in this we like call it a platform or the YouTube or the whatever. We are here to support ourselves. We are black. We are even black or white. We are human beings. We are here to support ourselves for a year. Why some people, if there's I'm hearing that people are complaining it, some people they will subscribe for you. After they will go back and remove it. At least it's God who enter you say as the thing come from your mind. Say, let me subscribe for this person. Why will you go back there again and remove it? It's not good. We are here to help ourselves. If the subscription that you have is person also who do it subscribe it for you. You are not the one who do it alone. You cannot even do one for yourself. Let's be good to ourselves. Let's be good to ourselves. May we not the wicked ourselves. May we not the wicked ourselves. It's not good. It's too bad. We have bad character. We have bad character. So people go subscribe for you. Finish. They go there, go remove them. Me, if you now watch everything, me, I do for anybody. That is because I don't feel give money. I don't feel do anything. That is only what I can use to help. That is only what I can give to you. That is only what I can use to support you. That is it. Nothing else. Nothing else. I beg you, maybe they do something for good. I know I made this video too long. Because if video too long, people not to the like. I even me myself. To the like. Okay now. Maybe they behave well. I'm not advise at you, sir. I'm not advise. I mean, not try that nonsense again. They're too bad of her. She's too young to do that thing. They say marriage at the age of 22 years now. It's too late. But I say, every woman, this day for Africa, woman they marry at the age of 13 years. Look at the age of 22 years. It's matured enough. She's matured enough. You people they married now 20 years, 13 years. He grow, even his parents they try you. They try well. Where they wait reach that time. I bet make she respect herself. May not dey spoil people. May not dey spoil Benin people. May not dey spoil them. Which kind of bad character be that? Which side they'll take look his family now? They'll say go see pikin they naked. That make us some parents. If their children want turn to celebrity or anything, then they dey against her. It's because of all those nonsense. Because they don't want may bring bad name to them. It's just what is happening now. It's what is happening now. Okay, oh. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. Everywhere pepper soup. Okay now, guys. Let me leave you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, please. And also give it a thumbs up and comment. This thing I'm talking now. If you don't like it, comment. If you like and comment and give it a thumbs up, okay? I need you to advice, yeah? Thank you all. I stand for the truth. If any matter day where it be true, people don't want to judge and we want to bring them for me. Okay? Okay now. You want to stay well. Now, bye-bye.